Welcome to Venice, a city unlike any other. Our journey begins in St. Mark's Square, the vibrant heart of this floating city. Imagine this bustling square as the center of Venetian life for centuries. Feel the energy of the pigeons, the music, and the chatter of locals and visitors from around the world. Look around, St. Mark's Basilica stands proudly before us. Its Byzantine architecture is breathtaking. The Doge's Palace, once home to the rulers of Venice, sits beside it. Notice the intricate details and the impressive facade. These buildings whisper stories of Venice's powerful past. They are a testament to its artistic legacy. Before we delve into these architectural wonders, let's just breathe in the atmosphere. Can you almost hear the echoes of history? Merchants once traded spices and silks right here. Musicians entertained crowds with lively tunes, and important announcements were made from the top of the Campanile, the towering bell tower. Close your eyes for a moment and travel back in time. As we continue our exploration, remember that every corner of St. Mark's Square holds a story. This is more than just a square, it's a living museum, and we are about to step right into its heart. Get ready to be amazed as we enter St. Mark's Basilica. Prepare for sensory overload. Golden mosaics adorn the walls and ceilings. They shimmer and dance in the light. These intricate artworks depict biblical scenes. They tell stories that have captivated viewers for centuries. Feel the weight of history as you walk through the basilica. Imagine the countless people who have stood here before you. Emperors, artists, and everyday Venetians have all marveled at this masterpiece. Take your time to explore its nooks and crannies. You never know what treasures you might discover. Next, we step into the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its ornate facade is a testament to Venice's wealth and power. As we walk through its grand halls, we'll imagine the Doge himself striding these very floors. We'll peek into the chambers where he once ruled. The palace also houses a collection of incredible artworks. Paintings by Venetian masters adorn the walls, each one a window into the city's artistic soul. Look for works by Tintoretto and Veronese, masters of color and composition. Their art captures the spirit of Venice in all its glory. Before we leave the Doge's Palace, let's pause for a moment on the Bridge of Sighs. This enclosed bridge connects the palace to the prison. Legend has it that prisoners would sigh as they crossed, catching their last glimpse of freedom. Leaving the grandeur of St. Mark's Square, we'll dive into the labyrinthine streets of Venice. Our journey takes us to the Grand Canal, the city's main artery. This magnificent waterway winds through the heart of Venice. It offers breathtaking views of the city from a unique perspective. Let's hop on a Vaporetto, Venice's version of a bus. As we cruise down the Grand Canal, we'll pass under graceful bridges. We'll admire the elegant palazzos that line its banks. Each building tells a story of Venice's rich past. These were once homes to wealthy merchants and noble families. But the Grand Canal is just the beginning. Venice is a city of over 150 canals. We'll venture off the beaten path. We'll explore the quieter canals and discover the true heart of Venice. As we glide along these narrow waterways, we'll be transported to another world. The gentle lapping of water against gondolas, the sound of laughter echoing across the canals, the sight of colorful houses leaning precariously over the water. This is Venice at its most magical. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the tranquility. It's a world away from the bustle of St. Mark's Square. Section 4, Unveiling Venice's Secrets, Hidden Squares and Local Legends. As we delve deeper into the maze of narrow streets, we'll stumble upon hidden gems. These are the places where Venetians go to escape the crowds. We'll discover peaceful squares tucked away from the tourist trail. Here we'll find locals enjoying their morning coffee or chatting with friends. One such treasure is Campo Santa Margherita. This lively square is a hub of local life. We'll browse the stalls at the morning market. We'll soak up the atmosphere at a traditional trattoria. We might even catch a glimpse of a gondola workshop where these iconic boats are still made by hand. As we wander through these back streets, keep your ears open for local legends. Venice is a city steeped in history, and stories are woven into its very fabric. Hear the tale of the Devil's Bridge, said to have been built by the devil himself. Or learn about the legend of the Venetian mask makers, whose creations once concealed the identities of revelers during Carnival. Each legend offers a glimpse into the soul of Venice. These stories, passed down through generations, add a touch of magic to our journey. And they remind us that Venice is more than just a beautiful city. It's a place where history and myth intertwine. Section 5. A taste of Venice cicchetti and canal-side cafes. All this exploring has surely worked up an appetite. Luckily, we're in the perfect place to experience the delicious world of Venetian cuisine. No trip to Venice is complete without savoring cicchetti, the city's answer to tapas. These small snacks are served at Baccari, traditional Venetian bars. Imagine yourself perched on a stool at a canal-side Baccaro. You're enjoying a glass of chilled Prosecco and a plate of cicchetti. The sun is setting, casting a warm glow on the water. This is the essence of Venetian life. We'll sample a variety of cicchetti, from creamy baccalà mantecato, which is creamed cod, to fried seafood and marinated vegetables. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a testament to the freshness of local ingredients. And of course that we can't forget to try a Bellini, the iconic Venetian cocktail made with Prosecco and peach puree. For a more substantial meal, we'll seek out a trattoria tucked away in a quiet square. Here, we'll indulge in local specialties like bigoli and salsa, thick spaghetti with an onion and anchovy sauce, or risotto al nero di seppia, risotto cooked with cuttlefish ink. Each dish is a celebration of Venetian flavors, passed down through generations. As we savor our meal, let's raise a glass to Venice, a city that tantalizes all the senses. From its stunning architecture to its enchanting canals and mouth-watering cuisine, Venice is a feast for the soul. Section 6, Arrivederci, Venezia, concluding a perfect Venetian walk. As our Venetian adventure draws to a close, we find ourselves back where we started, in the heart of St. Mark's Square. The sun begins its descent, casting a golden glow on the basilica's facade. The air is filled with the sounds of music and laughter. Venice, it seems, never sleeps. We've journeyed through centuries of history, from the grandeur of the Doge's palace to the tranquility of hidden canals. We've marveled at architectural wonders, uncovered local legends, and tantalized our taste buds with Venetian delicacies. But most importantly, we've experienced the soul of Venice, a city that captivates the heart and lingers in the memory long after we've said our goodbyes. As you continue to explore Venice on your own, remember to get lost in its labyrinthine streets. Embrace the unexpected, discover your own hidden gems, and above all, savor every moment in this extraordinary city. For Venice, with its unique charm and timeless beauty, is a destination that will stay with you forever. Arrivederci, Venezia. Until next time.